Hi everyone. As we all know, this is discussion on software development methodologies and how they affect project outcome. I'm going to be talking about the Agile methodology. Agile focuses more on customer satisfaction, utilizes a lot of advanced technical skills, constant communication with customers, stakeholders, and everybody involved in the project, and acceptance of change. Agile focuses less on extensive documentation, aggravated use of tools and processes, and the continuous stay in the plan of work. Now, all the values of Agile can either affect the project outcome positively or negatively. For instance, customer satisfaction. Now, the continuous changes made to requirements based on the customer's priorities or stakeholders' priorities affect the scope of work, either widening it or making it smaller, which in turn affects the project outcome. These changes may occur as a result of new business ideas that are coming up, or, like I mentioned earlier, customer or stakeholder satisfaction. Again, the use of advanced technical skills. Sometimes Agile does not allow defining limits, the extent to which projects can be expanded. It does not do that. And so people keep bringing in all these ideas, and the requirement of technically skilled people might go beyond the limits of the abilities of the stakeholders. For instance, the budget allocation might not be able to cover the kind of technical requirements that will be needed to undertake the project. So if the process is if they're able to acquire those technical requirements, then it means the project outcome might even be better than what it was initially thought. But if they are not able to be acquired, then it means that the software, the outcome is going to be lower than expected. We can also talk about the constant interaction between individuals, which is one of Agile's main values. Now, sometimes individuals involved in the software development will discuss and share ideas with their friends in their closets, with their colleagues outside the team work. Meanwhile, these contributions are needed over there. Why don't they do that? Because they might think their ideas might not be accepted, or they think their ideas might sound doltish. Meanwhile, the Agile methodology focuses on those ideas in building the software, and so a lack in that area would affect the project outcome negatively, but a consistent contribution that comes from customers would in turn affect the outcome positively. We can also talk about the less use of architectural designs. The waterfall methodology is known for the use of architectural designs, which helps developers stay in plan. But in the case of Agile, it's different because developers tend to imagine what the software is supposed to be in their mind and then go straight into developing it or coding for it. And therefore, they might end up producing something else, because, like we all know, sometimes the ideas you have in mind when put on paper becomes different. A lot of changes would have to be done to it, and that is the reason why the use of architectural designs is very important. We can also talk about the lack of commitment from business stakeholders. Yes, at the beginning they might show a lot of commitment, but as the process goes on, when it becomes too tedious or tiring, they might tend to lay back, which has a negative effect on the project outcome. But a positive collaboration with stakeholders, business owners, and all that would affect project outcomes positively. Generally, I would just say that yes, Agile methodology is good, but it would work better if it is incorporated with a waterfall methodology, meaning that we should just go with a hybrid approach, take a little bit from each side, introducing iteration and all that, and then the project's results would be better. You can always meet customers' requirements with a hybrid approach. Thank you.